Do you know what is the ECG? ECG means electrocardiogram. So, as a nurse, you should have basic knowledge of ECG. The ECG depend on conduction system of the heart. So how the P wave is created? When the SA node is release electrical impulse to the arterial muscle. So arterial muscle is depolarized, means P wave is created. And how the QRS wave is created? When the AV node release electrical impulse to the ventricle muscle, that time ventricular muscle is depolarized, means QRS wave is created. And how the T wave is created? When the ventricular muscle is repolarized, means T wave is created. So ventricular muscle repolarized mean the whole system is start again from P wave to S wave. That is the normal ECG of the heart.